Hello, business owners. Are you registered under GST and confused about GSTR filing? Don't worry. In the next 90 seconds, I'll explain everything. GSTR stands for Goods and Services Tax Return. It's a report that businesses submit to the government showing sales. Every GST-registered business must regularly file returns, even if there were no business transactions during the period.
The most common returns are GSTR-1 for reporting sales and GSTR-3B for reporting summary details and tax payments.
Accurate invoice reporting is very important because incorrect details can lead to notices, penalties, and input tax credit mismatches.
Late filing can result in late fees, interest charges, and compliance issues that may affect your business reputation. Regular GST compliance helps maintain smooth business operations and builds trust with customers, suppliers, and financial institutions.
Before filing, always reconcile your sales and GST portal data to avoid errors and future complications.
If GST compliance feels complicated, professional experts can handle the process while you focus on growing your business.
At Tax Msme, we assist businesses with GST registration, return filing, compliance management, and expert tax.
Need help with your GSTR filing? Contact Tax Msme today and stay compliant, stress-free, and focused on business growth.